Hi, it's Bonnie from Three Birds Renovations, and today I'm going to show you how I created this lounge room. Now, because this lounge room was the first space you walk into when you actually open the doors to the property, I really wanted it to kind of be a space that was quite neutral, really soft, really calming, has a bit of a coastal vibe with those pops of luxe. Now, the first thing I chose in designing this space was the lounge, and I chose the Hamilton by Freedom. And I did that because I loved how low-lying it was. It meant you could get a full view of the house, and that was really important to me because I didn't want it to sit high and kind of close off the space. So this one's a grey taupey colour, which works so beautifully with all the other colours in the house. It also has a really wide base on it, which I loved. It's super comfy and fits a lot of people on it. I think it's really important when you're designing your living room or lounge room in that you don't have to have the same coloured lounges within this space. You can see here this one's slightly different, but why it works is we've added all different creamy tones throughout all the pillows, and then they kind of all blend in together. Another thing I like to do when I'm pulling together the pieces for a lounge room is bring in different textures and different tones. You can see here I've gone with a marble coffee table here, but a concrete one here. Why I've done that is to bring in those different textures, those different colours, and just add a little bit of interest to the room. I chose the curved buffet because I wanted to add in some warmer tones. I've gone with the rattan rug as well, which kind of makes it a little bit more rustic, which I love. You can see I popped two of them together. I wanted that length down this wall, so you can either pop some artwork in a TV or two artworks like I have. So once you've got your key pieces within the space, it's all about styling and making it feel kind of more cozy, warm and beautiful. I love to mix different styles, so I'll have like a coastal kind of lounge with some really comfy, soft, beautiful colours, and then I'll add in the pops of gold, which is what I've done here on the side table. Sometimes people are a little unsure about what to do in a space that is a walkway or you've got a blank wall, and what I love to do is kind of fill it with a decorative piece. I chose the ADELINE console here because it doesn't stick out too much, so it doesn't obstruct your walkway. It's also got that kind of really beautiful luxe feel to it with the glass and the gold. And I think the key in styling any item is having sometimes that contradiction between the coastal and the luxe. Freedom really does have everything you need to style your home, so head to the website or in-store to check out their range.